Hi friends, this question is from test series 2. Subject name is Theory of Computation. Topic name is Introduction to Turing Machines and it is of 1 mark. Let us see the question. Define languages L0, L1 as follows. L0 equal to MW0, M may be halts on W. L1 equal to MW1, M always halts on W. Here MWI is a triplet whose first component M is an encoding of a Turing machine. Second component W is string and third component I is a bit. Then which statement is true? Option A, L1 bar, that is nothing but L1 complement is same as language L1. Option B, L0 bar is same as language L0. Option C, L1 bar and L0 bar same language as L1 and L0. Option D, none of this. From this question, L0 is nothing but M may be halts on W. That is nothing but halting is undecidable. So it is recursive enumerable language. And next one, L1 is M always halts on W. So it is halting is decidable. So it is recursive language. We know that complement of a recursive language is recursive only. So here L1 is recursive. So L1 bar, which is nothing but a complement of L1, it is also recursive, which is nothing but option A. Option A. From this question, we learn how to find out the the complement of a language and whether it is recursive enumerable language or recursive language. Here if halting is decidable, then we can directly know that it is recursive language. If it is not decidable, then it is nothing but a recursive enumerable language. Thank you.